There's this theorem in grade 12 Euclidean geometry which deals with two shapes being similar and their sides being proportional. There's a lot of misconceptions about in this theorem, so in this video I will be clearing some of those misconceptions. So usually when you hear or see the word similar, you're thinking of two or more things that are exactly the same to one another, right? Let's say you are thinking of two triangles and you say, it's the word similar, man, so they must be similar to one another. If that's what you are thinking when you see the word similar, then you are wrong. You are confusing this word with congruency, which is the word in Euclidean geometry that explains two shapes that are exactly the same to one another. So congruency, when two shapes are congruent, it means they are exactly the same. This angle of triangle ABC is equal to this angle of triangle ABC. I gave them similar names because they are congruent. They are exactly equal. They are exactly the same to one another. This length is equal to this length. This length BC is equal to this length of this triangle. This length AC is equal to this length of this triangle. So these two triangles are congruent to one another. We use this symbol. Now let's come to similarity now. When two shapes are similar to one another in Euclidean geometry, we mean that they are equiangular. We mean that their two triangles are equiangular with one another, meaning angle A of this triangle is equal to angle D of this triangle and other angles as well. What about the sides? Now this is where proportionality comes into play. When you look at side AC, it corresponds with side DF, right? Now, what do you get when you divide? What do you get when you divide AC with DF? You get 12 divided by 6, right? Which is equal to 2. Again, what happens if you divide side AB with its corresponding side of this triangle, side DE? You get 14 divided by 7, right? Which also gives you 2. Now the same will happen when you divide length BC with its corresponding side length EF. You'll get the same number. Now what does this mean? It means that although the sizes of these two shapes are not equal, but their lengths, the two triangles, are proportional to one another. Therefore, whenever you have two shapes that are similar, meaning they are equiangular to one another, then their sides, their corresponding sides, are proportional. The corresponding sides of two equiangular triangles are in the same proportion, and therefore the triangles are similar. Let us dive deep into this proportionality concept. So let's take side AC, the ratio between side AC and side AB of this triangle, side AC and side AB. Now the ratio of these two sides of this triangle is 12 divided by 14, right? Which gives us 6/7. Now in this pattern, we need to take the corresponding sides of this triangle, meaning for AC we will take DF, and for AB we will take DE. Now we are trying to see the ratio between the two sides of this triangle. So we have DF is 6 centimeters divided by DE is 7 centimeters. Now what do you see? You get the same ratio. Therefore, the ratio of the sides of this triangle are proportional to the ratio of the sides of this triangle. Why? Because they are similar. So this theorem states that the corresponding sides of two equiangular triangles are in the same proportion, and therefore the triangles are similar. So I am not going to prove this theorem. It is too long, man. My videos are This theorem links the concept of similar shapes with how proportional their corresponding sides are. So yeah, I am not proving this theorem, unfortunately. If I were to prove it, then I would need to break the video into 2 parts. You just need to memorize it. I'm not going to prove it. So this is the end of the video. In the next video, we will be proving that 2 shapes are similar to one another, and then we will be proving the sides that are proportional. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.
It's easy to see when you look at me. If you look closely, Mystic don't back down. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, so that you can get that A in mathematics.
Leave a comment down below if you have a question. Mystic will make sure you get the answer.
Leave a like and share this video with your friends, so that we can all be good. Thank you for watching.